Did you know that the strongest man in the Bible lost all his power because of one secret? A secret so small, yet so powerful, it changed his entire life. Let me tell you the story of Samson and Delilah. Welcome to Bible Stories and Tales, where we share inspiring stories from the Bible to grow your faith. These stories remind us that God's power is real, His presence is constant, and His lessons are meant to guide us every single day. Long ago, in the land of Israel, there lived a man named Samson. From the very day he was born, Samson was set apart for a special purpose. God had chosen him before his birth to be a leader and a deliverer of his people. As a sign of this sacred calling, Samson was never to cut his hair. And God gave him something extraordinary, incredible supernatural strength. Samson was not just strong. He was the strongest man anyone had ever seen. He could tear apart a lion with his bare hands. He could defeat entire groups of enemies alone. No chains could hold him. No man could overpower him. But Samson's strength was not just physical. It was deeply connected to his relationship with God. As long as he honored God's command, his strength remained with him. Yet, despite his great calling, Samson had a weakness. He often followed his heart instead of God's wisdom. One day, Samson met a woman named Delilah. He fell deeply in love with her. But Delilah was not trustworthy. The rulers of the Philistines, Israel's enemies, came to her with a plan. They offered her a large amount of money if she could discover the secret of Samson's strength. So Delilah began to ask him, gently at first, "Samson, tell me, what makes you so strong?" Samson laughed it off and gave her false answers. "If you tie me with new ropes, I will become weak," he said. But each time Delilah tested his answers, and each time Samson broke free easily. Still, Delilah did not give up. Day after day, she kept asking him. Her voice became more persistent, her questions more emotional. "Why don't you trust me?" she would say. "If you truly love me, you would tell me your secret." Slowly, Samson grew tired. The constant pressure wore him down. Instead of guarding his secret, he began to give in. Finally, Samson told her the truth. "My strength comes from God," he said, "and it is connected to my hair. If my hair is cut, I will become weak like any other man." That night, Delilah saw her chance. As Samson lay asleep, trusting her completely, she quietly called for someone to come and cut his hair. Piece by piece, his hair was shaved off. And just like that, his strength was gone. When Samson woke up, he thought he could escape as before. But this time, something was different. God's strength had left him. The Philistines rushed in, captured him, and bound him in chains. The strongest man in the world was now powerless. Samson was taken away as a prisoner. He was mocked, humiliated, and forced into hard labor. But something began to happen. Slowly, quietly, his hair started to grow again. And as it grew, so did something else. His faith. Samson realized his mistake. He had trusted the wrong person. He had taken God's gift for granted. One day, during a great celebration, his enemies brought him into a temple filled with people. They wanted to mock him. But Samson had one final prayer. "Lord," he said, "remember me. Give me strength just one more time." And God heard him. In that moment, strength returned to Samson. He placed his hands on the pillars of the temple, and with all his might, he pushed. The pillars collapsed. The temple fell, and Samson defeated his enemies, showing that God's power had never truly left him. This story teaches us that our strength comes from God. No matter how strong, smart, or capable we are, we must never forget the source of our strength. It also reminds us to be careful who we trust. Not everyone who is close to us has good intentions. And most importantly, even when we make mistakes, God is still willing to hear our prayers and restore us when we turn back to Him. If you enjoyed this story, like and subscribe for more Bible stories. Share this message with someone who needs encouragement today. And always remember, your strength comes from God. God bless you.